this is a salad that I always bring to camp because it always all up better than the garden salad or the Caesar salad. So I've gone ahead and cut up my veggies here, and I'm gonna get into the mixing. So we have cucumbers, nice cooling cucumbers. I have a lot of those. Some bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, orange bell pepper, red bell pepper, and a little green bell pepper, less of that. Then I'm coming in with some red onion. Yeah, because you need that little spice, and my crunchy, zesty, salty pickle is my favorite. I have some tri-colored tomatoes. And last but not least, some olives. I love me some olives. So you mix that all together. This salad is so hearty, so it's easy to travel with. It won't go bad as quickly as the other veggies. I've brought like garden salad to camp, and by the time it comes around to lunchtime, it got messed up. So this one is very good. Take note. So now I'm going to make my homemade dressing. So I'm using some olive oil here, the good olive oil. To that, I'm going to add some rice vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar, whatever vinegar you want to use. I have some lemon juice. And a little maple syrup for a little sweetness. Honey could do the same. Add some red pepper flakes, sugar, and black pepper. Now you're going to give that a good shake and get everything mixed up together. Believe you me, whenever I make this salad, whether I take it to church or I make it at home or I bring it to camp or for whatever function, listen to me, it always finish first. People are always coming back for more. People are asking me what you put on the salad, what do you do? And I'm hoping you will take this recipe, make it at home, and you will see what I'm talking about. And if you're still watching at this point, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, because that will help this channel to grow and I will be able to reach more people. And also to share more of my recipes that I make here in my humble kitchen. So whether you have to bring food for a potluck or you're going to camp, you're going to the beach, you're going on a picnic, wherever you're going, baby shower, whatever, this is the salad to make. And because of the vinegar, it's like a preservative. It's not gonna get, soggy. So remember now, please check out this video up here for another tantalizing treat. Bye for now. I hope to see you in my next one.